Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's fast-paced world, finding solace and tranquility within our living spaces has become increasingly important as we seek to create an environment that promotes relaxation, rejuvenation, and overall well-being. Therapeutic plant decor has emerged as a popular choice, combining the beauty of nature with its healing properties. Incorporating plants into our homes not only enhance aesthetics but also offer numerous physical and mental health benefits. In this video, we will explore the concept of therapeutic plant decor and how it can transform your living spaces into a serene sanctuaries. Number 1. Understanding therapeutic plant decor. Therapeutic plant decor is the art of strategically placing plants in inno- indoor and outdoor spaces to create a harmonious and nurturing environment. It goes beyond mere decoration as each plant is chosen for its specific therapeutic properties and aesthetic appeal. By harnessing the power of nature, therapeutic plant decor aims to promote a sense of calm, improve air quality, and foster overall well being. Number 2. Choosing the right plants. When it comes to therapeutic plant decor, selecting the right plants is crucial. Different plants offer different benefits, and it's important to consider factors such as lighting condition, maintenance requirement, and personal preferences. Some popular choices for therapeutic plant decor include A. Lavender. Known for its soothing fragrance, lavender is widely used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and alleviate stress. Its delicate purple flowers and evergreen foliage make it a beautiful addition to any space. Place spotted lavender near windows or in bedroom for maximum effect. B. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is not only a hardy plant but also a powerful healer. Its gel-like substance has excellent moisturizing and soothing properties, making it ideal for treating minor cuts, burn, and skin irritation. Keep an aloe vera plant in your kitchen or bathroom for quick access to its natural remedies. C. Snack plants. If you are looking for a low maintenance plant that can purify the air, the snake plant is an excellent choice. It releases oxygen at night and filter harmful toxin, improving indoor air quality. Its striking vertical leaves add a touch of elegance to any room and it thrives in various light conditions. Number D. Peace Lily. With its elegant white flowers and glossy green leaves, the peace lily not only beautifies your living space but also acts as a natural air purifier. It helps remove harmful toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air, making it an ideal choice for bedrooms and offices. Number 3. Placement and arrangement. Once you have chosen the right plants for your therapeutic decor, it's essential to consider their placement and arrangement. Here are some tips to optimize the healing effects. A. Create focal points. Highlight the beauty of your plants by creating focal points in your living spaces. Place larger plant in corner or near window to draw attention and create a soothing atmosphere. B. Group plants. Group plants with similar care requirements not only makes maintenance easier but also creates a lush and vibrant display. Experiment with different plant combinations and varying heights to add visual interest to your space. C. Incorporate natural elements. Enhance the therapeutic ambience by incorporating natural elements such as stones, shells, or driftwood. These elements add texture, grounding energy, and a sense of connection to the natural world. D. Consider lighting. Different plants have varying lighting requirements. Place light-loving plants near window where they can receive ample sunlight, while low-light plants can thrive in shaded areas or with artificial lighting. Pay attention to each plant's specific need to ensure their optimal growth. Number 4. Benefit of therapeutic plant decor. The inclusion of therapeutic plant decor in your living spaces can have numerous benefits, including a improved air quality. Plants act as natural air purifier by absorbing toxin and releasing oxygen. They help eliminate harmful pollutant, make the air cleaner and fresher for healthier living environment. B. Reduce stress and anxiety. Studies have shown that being around plants can significantly reduce stress level and promote a sense of calmness. The greenery and natural elements create a soothing atmosphere, helping alleviate anxiety and enhance well-being. C. Enhance productivity and concentration. Indoor plants have been found to enhance productivity and concentration. Their presence in workspaces or study areas can improve focus, creativity, and overall connectivity performance. D. Better sleep quality. Certain plants such as lavender and jasmine emit calming fragrances that promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Place these plants in bedrooms can create a serene ambience conceived to restful sleep. Conclusion. Therapeutic plant decor offer a unique and holistic approach to designing living spaces that prioritize well-being. By carefully selecting the and arranging plants with specific therapeutic properties, you can transform your home into a haven of tranquility and rejuvenation. The benefit of improved air quality reduces stress, enhances productivity, and better sleep quality make therapeutic plant decor a worthwhile investment. So go ahead and infuse your living spaces with nature healing touch and experience the transformative power of therapeutic plant decor. Thank you for watching our video.